Check out this 2003 Holden Commodore. Experience the comfort of driving this well-presented vehicle with a powerful 8-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD stacker, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, ventilated disc brakes, side airbag. Ride in style with the included premium wheels. Keep your family safe on the road with the added security of anti-lock braking. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing these top safety components are included. Contact us to get behind the wheel today.